Hello dear friends, in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to install Android Nougat 7.0 on VMware Workstation and you have to download these two files, VMware and Android Nougat, from the description below. So now you have to install and open VMware Workstation. Once you have done, okay, now you have to create a virtual machine. Click on create a virtual machine, click typical next. I will install the operating system later, and click next. Select other, and the version is FreeBSD 10 and earlier. Click next, and here you have to type the virtual machine name. And the location where you want to save the virtual machine file. Click next, click continue. Assign the, you can specify the disk capacity about 10 to 20 GB and click next. Click finish button. Now you have to edit the virtual machine. Click on edit from here, and now assign the memory size about 1 GB and further than that, or you can about 2 GB, so I can give it, and assign the processor about 2 numbers, and you have to select the ISO image file where you nearly downloaded from the link description below. And now you have to click the 3D graphics options. Click OK. So now you have to click power on virtual machine to start or installing Android Nougat on the VMware. Okay, now you have to select the installation option. Press enter and press C from the keyboard, and now press enter. Do you want to install? Do you want to use GPG? No. And now you have to select new primary and press enter. Click bootable and press enter. Now select the right and press enter. Here you have to type yes and press enter. And now you have to click on quit and press enter. Select the second one, ext4, and select the yes and press enter. Select yes and press enter. Here you have to select yes and press enter. Wait about 2 or 5 minutes. Now in here you have to select reboot and press enter. Let's go and sit up fresh now, and click the last one, skip anyway, and here you can okay, select your time zone and the month and the type your name, click next, scroll down and click next. All seat, launcher 3. Here we are in the Android Nougat 7.0. So we are going to check the version of this about, and here you can see the Android version. I hope you find this I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you subscribe my channel and do share my video with your friends. In the next tutorial, take care and goodbye.